toilet paper roll rocket. Doesn't it look amazing? And it's really simple to make too. First of all, you need a toilet paper roll, an empty one of course, and some grey or silver paper, just like this. Put some glue stick on either end of the paper, like this, and then simply wrap it round your toilet roll, just like this. Perfect. Now we're going to make the fire. So we've got yellow, orange and red. And we're going to draw some spikes on our paper, just like this. We're using a pencil, so we can just cut out what we need. Remember, when using scissors, ask your parent or guardian for permission and be very, very careful and responsible. Scissors are sharp. And look at that, with a few simple snips, we can get a nice fire-like pattern. Kind of looks like an upside-down crown. We're going to repeat and do the same with the orange and red paper too. There we go. Now we're going to add the orange on top of the yellow, just like this, with a little bit of glue. And then we'll do the same again with the red, just like this, with a little bit of glue. See what we did there? That looks great, guys. Now we've cut out 4 little circles. We've chosen 2 green and 2 red. We're going to put the green on top of the red, just like this. Amazing. And now, I'm going to take this blue piece of paper and fold it in half. And we're going to cut a triangle out of it, like this. Did you see what we did there? And we've made 2 triangles. Easy. Next, we take a round piece of blue paper and we cut to the middle and we cut out a triangle, just like that. Did you see what we did there? And then you kind of roll your blue paper into a kind of cone-like shape. Did you see? Stop and rewind if you need to. And with a little bit of glue, we can stick that down, just like that. And now we've got a nice piece of sparkly paper. And we're cutting out tiny little sparkly stars. But if you don't have something like this, you can cut out any kind of shape that you like. Or you can buy little star stickers. Okay, we're using a hot glue gun. And just like when we use our scissors, you do need to ask your parent or guardian for permission to use this. It can get very hot. And we're going to stick a little cone on top of our toilet roll like this. And with a little bit of glue stick, we're going to stick on the fire on the other end, just like this. Look, it looks amazing. Then we're taking the glue gun again and very gently sticking on our triangles onto the bottom near the fire, just like this. And then with a little bit of glue stick, we'll stick on our windows. Just like this. And with a little bit of glue stick, we'll add on our tiny little sparkly stars. Just like this. Did you follow? If you missed anything, pause, rewind, and watch back, because you too can make your very own toilet paper roll rockets. Amazing. It's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Noah, and Noah has drawn the London Eye. It looks amazing. Well done, Noah. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!